Hi, and welcome to the section 4 of our course, Hacking the Human in a Cybercrime Attack. In this section, we are going to take a look at what is social engineering attacks and why they are so powerful. Learn open source intelligence, shortly OSINT techniques. Find out hackers' tricks of phishing and spear-phishing. Discover how social engineers play on human emotions and weaknesses. What are psychological viruses and how they are used in cyberattacks? We'll get to know with social engineering techniques and what they are about. So, in this video, we'll discover what is social engineering attack, why hacking a human often is more effective than hacking a machine, what is computer-based model of human influence, what techniques cybercriminals use to inject psychological viruses. Only amateurs attack machines, professionals target people. These are the words of recognized authority and cybersecurity guru Bruce Schneier. And he's absolutely right. Researchers claim that more than 90% of significant cybercrimes executed with using social engineering techniques. Why is it so? Because it's more effective and time and money saving way to get the target. You can spend months trying to break and exploit through network perimeter or web application and with unpredictable result. Or you send email or make a phone call with much more chances to succeed. What would you choose? The answer is obvious. That's why social engineering comes to play. Actually, what is social engineering? To understand it, we can use computer-based model of human influence. For this purpose, let's consider our brain as a computer and our speech, gestures, and emotions as strings of code. So, as well as infecting a computer with malware, a hacker can infect a brain of a human with psychological malicious code to make a person do something harmful. For example, to give away logins and passwords, or run a malicious file that opens way to hackers. They use a diversity of methods of psychological manipulations and mind influence tricks, like playing on human emotions, beliefs, and values. Actually, cybercriminals scan a brain of a human for vulnerabilities and then exploit them. That's what a social engineering is about. For better understanding, we can divide social engineering techniques into two parts: physical and cyber world. Physical supposes direct contact with target, and cyber world social engineering means contact with target in digital space. In this course, we'll discover secrets of cyber world social engineering. Social engineering in cyberspace includes such techniques as phishing emails, fake websites, infected USB, and stalking on social media. We'll explore all these items in the next videos. In this video, we've found out what is social engineering attack, discovered why hacking a human often is more effective than hacking a machine, considered computer-based model of human influence, learned techniques that cybercriminals use to inject psychological viruses.